Coke vending machine safe. Whole exterior has been restored, repainted, polished. Has a brand new lock. That would be locked. This is the interior with the lights off. Shelves are all removable, adjustable. You can move them up and down. You can remove them if you like, or however you want to set it up. Let me turn the lights on for you. Just plugged in. Let's see. There we go. And you can see the lights in the front. Replace those all with LED bulbs, so it looks real crisp and white. Here in the interior, the lights go from the top to bottom on both sides, so it does light up all the shelves depending on how you set them in there. Set up to hold 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 long guns. And then there's an extra little storage compartment down here on the bottom. It's hard to see, but it's just storage area with the power strip there in the back if you want to add any additional accessories. The light on the interior does shut off when you close the door. There's a little magnetic switch right here. When you close the door, the interior lights shut off, but the exterior lights still stay on. None of this is functional. It's all just for cosmetics, just for looks, but the buttons do all press like they normally would. And you can change these tags out with whatever you like if you wanted some different beverages in there.